Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to increase font size on messages on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first you need to go to settings. After that, scroll down and click Control Center. After that, you need to scroll down and find text size and click on the plus. After that, go back and now we need to go to messages. And if you want to increase text size, you must lower curtain and click on text button. And after that, click messages only. And now you can increase text size on your messages. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.